in the name of God. It's getting late. Let me escort you home, Biko. Biko, no.
You know nothing will make me leave you in this condition. Nothing.
But I have said I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Nothing is wrong with me.
You see? I'm fine. And you're still crying. Eh? You're still crying.
You know you're a big man's daughter. Let them not carry you the way they carried my son. Biko, let me escort you.
Mama, since nothing will happen to me here. As they cannot touch you, they cannot touch me either.
Hey.
They can't.
Yeah, man. I don't even know if he's still alive or dead. Onyema, Kedebino, Kedebino. Onyema, Natasiano, Biko, come back home, come back home. Come back home, Biko, Biko.
Mama, please stop now.
This nonsense, Ija.
Which nonsense? This is not nonsense, so this is a rehearsal. And I do rehearsal today fit because the man they tell me say Uncle Yofi come here. And if he come here, make me will fight to dig him out now.
Ta, who told you he's coming here? He dare not come to this place. And he did nothing to me. This bandage on my head is the nurse that just put it there. Nothing happened to me.
I go to follow you, they go anywhere you go. I go be your bodyguard. Make they fight this scatter you. You know what I mean now. Because I don't want anybody fighting now. Hey, you don't let do. I talk him. See, you allow me do this practice now. I go defend them as in the corner. Make me rush him.
Didn't you get my message? Please. Or are you daft?
Please, forgive me. I didn't mean to hurt you, please.
Mara, I love you. I'm sorry, please. Please. It wasn't my fault. Please.
Please, wait. Uncle Yo, you form my hand. You form my hand. You be my person before, but now you don't form my hand.
See, if you don't leave this place this minute, get out of this place. By the count of 3, leave.
Amara, please, listen to us. I know you do not know me, but I'll tell you the truth about everything that happened. Yes, it was actually Evelyn that did what she did to set Leo up. It's not his fault. Please.
Amara, she's right. It wasn't my fault. Please. You know I love you. Please.
Are you sure of what you're telling me?
I can swear with my life. I'll give you the details of everything. Just give us a hearing.
I'm sorry for the way I reacted. Let me go get some seats so I can hear the whole thing.
I know they like this so soft mind now. I know they do this thing every time.
I live my life.
Come on for here. Come on.
This is
Come on, this thing just stop.
Leave.
Nonsense. Says they beat.
Also, you went to bring another woman. You went to bring another woman to come and lie. Eh? No, I look like a baby. I look like a child to you. Get out! Get out of my compound. What?
You did this to me.
And I will do more. Get out! I don't want to ever see you. Ever again. Leave. I said leave!
Mama, come. Okay. What happened? Okay. Mama. Yeah? As I finished taking my bath and dressing up, guess what?
What?
My phone rang. My dad called me and said the DPO called him and said the kidnappers have been caught.
Praise the Lord!
Hallelujah!
Hey!
Yes.
Hey! What about my son?
He's fine. He's okay. I actually spoke to the DPO because my dad asked me to call him.
Okay.
And then he said the kidnappers, they are with him in the station. He said I should come and get it so that we can go together. Yes.
Okay. Let me dress up. I'm fine. We can go like this. No need to change.
You don't think you can change and be okay?
No.
You sure?
Let me just lock my door.
Okay.
My son.
Yes.
And your father.
Thank God.
My son is fine. You're sure?
Look at you, Evelyn. Drinking hot tea this hot afternoon. You have been in pain since yesterday. Yet, you don't want to tell me this beast girlfriend who did this to you with her boyfriend.
Baby, you be calming down. Gosh. Be calming down. I'm in pain already. Don't add to it. I didn't want to tell you because I don't want it to look as if I told my boyfriend and we both came to retaliate.
Listen, far from it, my love. These people need to be arrested. For Christ's sake, who beat up someone for coming to collect his or her debt? The guy even threatening to come to your house and beat you again, which is the reason you ran to this place.
What do you mean the reason I ran to this place? Don't tell me you're not comfortable me staying around you. Or are you tired of taking care of me already? In just 2 days?
My love, I don't understand why you like twisting talk. I said people that put your life in this danger need to be arrested or even sign undertaking. And you said I'm tired of taking good care of you. What do you mean by that?
Baby, I know what I'm doing. Relax. I know what I'm doing. Nobody will... Oh God, I'm in pain. Nobody will eat my money just like that. Is it not me, Evelyn? Nobody will eat my money just like that. I will have to collect my money from them. And after I'm done with that, I will now sit back and draw my plans. Relax.
There's no problem. I have done my best as a man. Remember, Owenye Dendo, Nabokwo.
Are you leaving? I thought you should be talking about how to go out and get me pizza and shawarma. I need pampering. I need to be pampered at this moment, not apportioning bills.
So shawarma and the pizza is more important to you than this undertaking?
Are you saying the fiancé was double dating and the other girl is crazy?
Yeah, that's what it means.
Damn! That's totally unacceptable. Do you know if it were to be in London, he would be charged for bigamy? Yes, punishable by law. It's a punishable offense.
Sweetie, are you ready to take me to her house, or will you be here quoting American and London for me?
Oh, come on, my lady. Come on, be easy on me. I am sure I told you that something brought me here before you came about with this enterprise of your friend.
Yes, you did.
Now, listen. I want us to fix a date. Yes, a date for me to go and see your people. So that we can, cement this, our relationship the customary way.
Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So right now, let's go somewhere and, have a good time.
All right.
I like how you smile.
How do I look?
You look good. I mean, I didn't know it would fit you this well. Plus, I didn't even know your size.
Thank you so much for the dress. I love it. Thanks.
Oh, stop. I should be the one to say thank you. I mean, I'm so sorry for such level of embarrassment. I'm terribly sorry.
No, please. You should stop. Stop feeling guilty. It's not your fault. It's not her fault too. Because I can feel her pains.
You see what your stupid friend has caused. I promise her she'll pay dearly for this. She'll pay.
Do you not know? You shouldn't put yourself at that level at all. Please. You should show her that you're not from the gutters like her. Real men don't go about flexing muscles with a lady. It's so debasing for a real man. Please don't do that.
You know, Gwyneth, you always have a way of dissuading someone from hurting your friend. Hope she does same for you.
You don't understand. Evelyn may be mischievous and unpredictable, but she's always got my back from the beginning. Do you know that I should be going? Let me see if she's back.
It's okay. Just wait. Let me drop you off. Okay. Drop you.
All right. Thank you.
My friend, this your ring is beautiful.
Thank you.
Hey, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Hey. Congratulations.
Thank you. But please leave this or big grammar. Yeah?
Which big grammar again?
Yes, now, but to tell you, that dude knows what he's doing. I know what thing they do.
Exactly. Just look at your ring.
Let me bust your bubbles.
Tell me.
My introduction has been fixed 2 days after. Yes.
This is good news. Good news.
Of course. You know you're going to be my Ashebe.
Of course now. Who else wants to?
It don't happen, no. It don't happen, no. It don't happen. Sister. Ha! You know what I tell you?
Ichaka, what is it?
My friend Onyema Prince. In fact, today na the happiest day in this village, in this world. Onyema Prince. What is be prince? Onyema king for their village.
Ichaka. You can see that when you came in, we were having a very important discussion. So can you carry this your useless joke? Can you take it to your room?
It can be joke. Not be joke, oh. I be the tell you say them kidnap Onyema. Now those people wey kidnap am, they don't confirm and say they go carry Onyema go in village, go crown and king. Say na wetin their juju talk. So now Onyema na king.
Ejaka, what are you saying? Wait, I sure know that Onyema is not the biological son of Madam Wakama. So, tell it, I know too well. But not from this village, I'm not sure. Yes.
Now so them see am, now so be too I see am, it shock you now. Now so they see am oh. They talk saying I can't Gimpi. See am, say he no be from this village. He no come from this village. Now they don't think I'll go back from the village where he come from. Are they happy for Onyema?
My friend, will you shut up? Shut up and go inside.
My friend, King Dogu. Igbo Dogu. I mean am.
You were saying something about their shape.
Yes. We'll go to the market and buy things for their shape. You were me.
I cannot wait.
Ichaka! Will you go to your room?
Mommy, I'm not going anywhere. No, I will never move. I'm not going out from this place. Yes, because they are the ones that rejected me and threw me to the bush. According to them, I was a cursed child. That's why they threw me inside the forest. I'm not going. No. If not that the oracle was angry, they will not look for me. They would have left me there to die. I'm not going back there.
My son, no one can fight the will of the gods. You will have to answer the call of
Mama,
your
I'll fight that will of God. I'll fight him. Oh. Yes, I'll fight him. I told you something had happened to me and I died. Would they be looking for me? No, would this issue now come up? Let them tell me. They have sense.
You know, I've always told you that it is divine arrangement. Your destiny cannot be denied by anyone.
So, Onyema is actually a prince. This is awesome and amazing.
Is it?
You know, from that night, I saw him helpless and lifeless. I've always known that there's something extraordinary about him. I've been scared of one thing. Scared that one day he will leave me. And that day has come.
I know they talk this kind of thing now. I know they talk this kind of thing. I don't go leave. I don't go move. I don't they live anywhere. I know they go.
Don't say things like this. I even think it's a way of lifting you up to royalty. Eh? And besides, you won't be lonely again in life. Stop. You don't. Daddy, this is so refreshing. Mama will now be royalty. I mean, Onyema will not leave her alone. She's not like that.
Did she say she will go with him to Umuzi community?
No, but she may change her mind. I mean, she and Onyema are so bonded that you needed to see how she was all through yesterday till this morning before Onyema was found.
She will bond with you when Onyema leaves.
Yes, Papi, I heard that clearly.
Hey, this naughty girl. What did you hear?
Exactly what is in your mind, Daddy. You know I'm your daughter, right? And I know exactly what you're thinking. I am solidly behind you, Daddy. Yes. Okay, Daddy. I love you so. I love you.
I don't feel like letting you go.
Yeah, I know, right? Well, you see, what needs to be done must be done. I need to go to Abuja and sort out some stuff with those big eggheads, you know. And then I'll return back to my African treasure. You see, after we must have walked down the hassle, I am going to take you out of this village to Miami. I know you like the sound of that.
It's sweet to meet you.
I know.
I'm going to miss you, my lord.
Yeah, oh my gosh. I'm gonna miss you too, right? You see, if we were to be in London, I would have probably taken you out for a horse ride. Yeah, we would have just ridden all the way to Buckingham Palace for, sightseeing and all those stuff. Oh, don't worry.
Just come and be going before you miss your flight.
All right. Yeah, if you were to know how to drive now, you would have just, driven me to the airport and then bring the car back. But nevertheless, when I come back, you're going to start off with your driving lessons, all right? That's my girl. Come here. I'm going to miss you.
Miss you more.
Yeah, you be safe, all right?
All right.
I'll be back in a jiffy, all right?
Same trip.
All right,
Bye.
baby. Now walk majestically, let me watch you.
You are a true daughter of Igbo land, and you know what that means. Our land is in great danger because the rightful heir is not seated on the throne. We are begging you to please talk to him. As we are here now, our people are dying in great numbers.
Aduruala, Adoma, Eziwine, please, we are begging. The wicked woman that caused this problem and her son are all dead and gone. Ofo is still killing and killing. Please, we are begging.
Well, that's of Omunze. I have read what you said. I've spoken to Onyema, but he refused. As a matter of fact, that's the reason he ran away when he saw you people.
You are the mother he knows now. It is only a true mother who knows the heart of her son. We are begging you to please talk to him.
I'll try. I'll try to talk to him. As for the boys at the police station, there's nothing I can do about that too. The matter is not in my hand at all.
Yes, they told us that it is one chief. The chief they call the commissioner is the only one who can release them. They said that. But we are still begging. Though these boys did it in a wrong way. But it is still not their fault. It was an errand gone in a wrong way. Please, somebody should help. Biko.
Well, I'll talk to my father about it. But that means you people will sign an undertaking that nothing will happen to Onyema.
Who is mad to touch the king after what has happened to him? Please, address him as Igwe whenever you want to talk to him. Biko.
Well, I've heard everything you said, and I'll try my best. But I'm not promising anything. Onyema has a mind of his own.
We thank you.
Queenette, this is serious. How long have you been like this, and how come you didn't tell me?
2 days now. I thought it was going to subside, but it has not.
Then why didn't Evelyn get you some drugs or take you to the pharmacy or something?
It's over a week now I haven't heard from her. She's not even taking her pulse.
Did she mention where she went to?
No, she did not. But there's this guy that she's seen of recent. I think she must be in his house. She must have gone there to hide.
Then how come you didn't tell me about this guy? It's okay. Anyways, have you had your shower?
No,
I
not
need
yet.
you need to get some medication, okay? Please get up. Can you stand? Take it easy, take it easy. Take it easy, okay? Sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
Izuchukwu, you're welcome.
My paddy man! My paddy man! Igwe! Sotoy! Igwe! My paddy man!
Onyema. Eh? Is this you?
This is me, live and direct.
Hey!
Ha! I don't tell you. I don't tell you, say my friend now. I don't talk to big man. Igwe. So they talk to your paddy. Make her they talk to my paddy. Who be your paddy? Paddy man. Good time for Yanni.
Good day, sir. Onyema, is this your brother?
This is Izuchukwu, the son of the Onowu of Umunze Kingdom. Wow. Although he lives abroad.
Yeah, you're welcome, sir.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Hey!
My paddy man! Talk to your paddy, make her talk to who be your paddy? No time for Yanni. Yes, we have serious thing there. So I come pick your milk, they go, they milk the match. No, make her go dress now. No need for dressing. Clothes plenty for there. And, you see her? I know them. You see her?
Onyema, what's going on? I don't understand.
Pity you no understand. Try understand and I say life don't change for Onyema. Onyema don't become king. Me now the party. You don't understand?
Yes, she's right. What His Majesty here is saying is that we have lots of activities in the palace. Yes, and he insisted that nothing will go on except we come to get his best friend and his foster mother. Yes, and then I'm also inviting you with his permission.
Of course. Because she's part of our royal tree.
Majesty.
Let's go. So you make a people like this. No, they go. Yeah, now milk, come this you know, and they go. After you go to come.
Ichaka. So you're leaving me?
I'm gonna leave you now. Bye bye.
Oh yeah now. Be careful, oh. Don't go and fight, oh. Oh, bye bye. Hey. Please take care of them, oh.
All right.
All right. Hey. Onyema, now a king. Oh dear.
My name is Onyema. Nobody knows tomorrow. I cut on my face, my ears, my nose, my nose and I cut on my face, my nose, my ears. It's about the money from mama, from them all, from mama, from them all. To my face, my mouth, my ears, my nose, put on my eyes, my mouth, my face, my ears, and I cut on my face. I put on my camo, I put on my kumo, maka nne m onye kwuchi ụzọ mkpatu onye maka mama onye mechi nobody knows tomorrow onye mazi echi. He brought the joy and comfort to mama. What could mama have done without you? Onye mechi you save mama from shame. You give mama hope. Full of talent, destiny.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, I've been thinking.
Okay.
I don't really think it's a good idea for you to visit that guy.
Why?
I mean, you're barely done with your treatment. I believe you're not physically strong for that.
I really need to go to be sure that the relationship is over. Because I don't want, when I've moved on with my life now, someone will come and start claiming what is not. I really need to be very sure.
Queenette, I really don't understand you. I thought you said you were the one who walked out of the relationship. Going back to that guy may seem like you're forcing yourself on him.
All those things were done in anger. And you know how men are. I really need to be very sure. If it's over, I'll just hand over the house keys to him and move on with my life.
Queenette.
Yes.
I understand how you feel. I know it's hard to leave someone when you're truly in love. Though sometimes the people we love don't always deserve it. But I want you to be careful. I can't stop you if that's what you want.
I'm even having a feeling that something is going on with him. So I really want to go there, give him an unannounced visit, so I can be clear in my mind that yes, this is what I'm. Let me even see the person that's captured his heart.
It's okay. If that's what you want, that's fine. It's alright. Let me just drop you off because I'm late already for work.
Okay, that's for me then. Thank you.
Alright.
Izu? Hey! How are you?
Fine, how are you?
Fine.
See you.
Good to see you too. Where is Ichaka? I thought you came with her.
Well, Ichaka is not coming back again. Or at least anytime soon.
What do you mean by that? Has she suddenly become an indigene of Umuze community?
Well, sweetheart, you can say that again if you choose. You see, the point is the matter is more complicated than you think. Oh yes. But the point remains that His Majesty will not be crowned if he's not fully married. Yes. So he needs a wife.
So what has that got to do with Ichaka?
He has professed love to Ichaka. And they seem to share the same idea.
Eh?
Yes.
What nonsense love is that?
You don't like it?
What does Ichaka know about love? Ichaka is not even up to 18 years. See, I'm not comfortable with this at all.
Listen, just...
It's not even up to 2 months that they reconciled from being sworn enemies. So how come they're already professing love to each other?
See, sweetheart, at this point, your worries and your fears, they don't add up. Because he is now king. Yes. And as king, elders of the community will do everything traditionally possible to protect the king and his family.
I'm worried. Ichaka is a small girl. What does she know about love?
Come on.
What kind of problem is this?
Come on. Relax.
Hey, God.
Relax. Let's talk about us. I came here for you.
How? I don't understand.
Come on. Don't you dare pretend for me. You see, I see the fire in your eyes each time you look at me. Or even anytime we talk on the phone. Listen, you will not tell me you don't share the same feelings with me.
I don't know what to say. I need to get back to the shop. I just came back to pick up something. Alright, so maybe some other time.
Nothing. Don't worry. You see, the answer is affirmation. The shop, I will take you to the shop. Of which you may not go there again after today. Don't worry. Come here. Come here.
You want to take me to the shop?
I'll take you.
Baby, look at this.
Wow.
So funny. Aww.
That's what you darling.
Jesus Christ! Evie! So you've been the one all along? Can you imagine?
Baby, why don't you lock the door?
You're a bastard and you must pay for this. Kelvin! So you're this cheap? What lies did she tell you that made you fall for her? I hope she told you that she went to Leo's house to fight his girlfriend and they beat her up. That was what made her run to your house that day. Hope she told you that.
What? Evelyn, is this true?
Why am I even listening to this rubbish? Both of you suit yourselves. But Leonard must know that you're here. Rubbish!
You know it's not true. I did not...
Don't touch me.
There's no how I would...
You see what I've been telling you? I've been telling you that this Evelyn of a girl is capable of hurting anyone, but you wouldn't just listen to me. Now look at it. She betrayed you. She betrayed you. Now you're hurt.
How could I have known? How could I have known that she could be this callous and shameless? Even that he-goat of a fool that I've been loyal to all these years.
Because you've been defending her. Yes, that's what you've been doing. All you do is defend this girl. Now look at it. Now look at it. She slept with your man. Listen, Queenette, honestly, just take it easy, okay? I know you love this guy, but I warned you. Even though you can't cry. You see why I practically warned you not for you to visit him. I told you. But you wouldn't listen to me.
How would you say something like this? If I had not gone there, how would I have known that something is wrong?
Honestly, I must get my own pound of flesh. I'll arrest that bastard. I'll arrest her.
Yeah, anything you want to do to both of them, you can do. I don't care anymore.
Just take it easy, okay? Take it easy. I know you can't cry.
These rappers are so beautiful. Eh? I know. Onyema really tried though. Eh? What will he do that will be too much for a queen mother. Eh? Anyways, why did you run and leave the palace?
You. Why did you not stay? Why did you come back the next day?
I only escorted you there now. Moreover, I'm not a princess, but you're a queen mother.
My dear, no matter how good Umunze people are, one day they will remind me that I'm not from their place. So I decided to come home to live my simple lifestyle.
That makes everything perfect and easy for me. Thank God you came back home.
I don't understand. What do you mean perfect and easy for you?
I'm not supposed to tell you this, but I'll gossip it. My daddy loves you and he wants to marry you.
Bianwa. Time to go. Don't come and insult me. Go.
That's the spirit, my new mommy. That's the reaction I'm expecting from you. You know, the first time I saw this idea to my dad, this was the exact reaction he gave to me. Yes, and I have a new mommy. Yes.
Peace.
I'm so happy.
Peace. Just go home.
Mary, see in this life, nobody should lose hope at all.
Exactly.
See, you were happy for me the other day. Now, you still have overseas boyfriend as well. You see? Yeah?
My dear.
Seriously, I'm happy for you.
I don't even know how to think it happen. Honestly, as the bobo show like this, now so my body became vibrate. Hey. Now that time I know, say, I don't fall in love. And do you know the funny thing? I didn't know that this guy fell. Talk about the devil. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're looking so sharp.
Thank you. Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. You know, my friend and I were just talking about you.
Really?
Yes. Hi.
I hope you're telling her good things about me.
Of course.
Okay.
Njide, mate. Is it Chuku?
Njide, how are you?
Fine.
Good to see you. So what you guys up to here?
Nothing. We're just, you know, having girls gist.
Okay, that's wonderful. And thank God your friend is here. You know, there's something I've been meaning to do. But the fact is that I don't really know my way around here. So I was actually looking for a very nice place. But
what do you want to do?
your friend is going to be a witness to it.
I hope there's no problem.
Now come on, just relax. Relax, it's nothing. So you guys just give me 1 minute.
Are you sure?
Just relax.
Okay. I am.
Okay. Your time stop. Relax. It's nothing. Calm down. Calm down. Amara. Amara. Relax. But all I can say is that my few weeks of stay in this village, you have shown me nothing but love. You have proven to be a virtuous woman.
I'm glad I met you. Yes. And to tell you that you're the most beautiful woman in the whole world. Please, I want you to complete me. Amara, please marry me and make me the happiest man on earth.
Yes! Yes, 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 I'll marry you.
Thank you.
Oh my God. Oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. That's for you.
Oh
That's
my
for
goodness.
You like it?
I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Come here.
Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you.
Mm. I love your smile. Come here.
Mommy. Mom, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for coming. The traffic was too much.
Is this how you will be keeping your mom waiting? And by the way, why did my husband not come to carry me himself?
Oh, sweet mom. Next time, I will not keep you waiting, okay? As for the second question, your husband has to answer that question himself. Make una no use me settle on a quarrel.
Naughty girl. Let's go.
Yes, let's go.
Let's keep the chair inside. Let's keep
okay.
You are stupid! What's enough of this?
Hey!
Listen.
Hey!
Listen! I am... Don't... Listen. I am done with you. You are evil. Evelyn, or whatever you call your name. You are possessed. Yes! You are evil. I am so done with you. I don't want to see you anywhere around me.
You are mad.
Take this to
Kevin, you are mad. Oh, you want to use me and dump me? It will not work for you. So after you said I was your spec, that I was your vibe partner, so the vibe don't come out, eh? I know they get anywhere. I know they no try.
Listen to yes.
Try with me, oh.
You used to be my spec. That was then. Now that I have realized the kind of human being you are no more qualified to be my spec.
Stop!
Come on, sit back. See, don't.
Hey! Kelvin,
see.
If you try am,
Listen.
If you try am with me,
listen. That my generation without that baby.
Thunder fire you, fire by your generation. Thunder fire you, fire. So that mean, okay, you don't say I Evelyn, I be worried and Benin combined together.
I know.
So you don't know.
I don't know.
You don't know.
You don't grab the seed.
Keep my handbag.
You don't grab the seed.
Drop am. Drop my handbag. Keep my keep am.
You don't hold the seed. You don't hold it. You don't hold the seed.
I go hold it. Go carry my bag.
We don't have bag.
If you do anyhow, you go see anyhow.
I do.
Na me and you.
I beg.
Carry am. If you do anyhow, please. Na me, na Evelyn.
Yes, what you?
You want use?
I beg.
Kelvin.
You don't grab the second seed.
That's why I go grab am.
In that person generation, you go like this.
If you do anyhow, I go bust you.
Bust
your generation.
No boss.
They move.
No boss.
So, me, no. You won't mess with me.
No. You don't grab your seed.
Chris.
Why are you staring at me like that? Like you've not seen me before. I actually came here to find out something from you.
Which is?
Do you remember that day that I came to plead with you on behalf of Evelyn? You made a statement and I wanted to find out from you. Are you positive about that statement you made?
Which statement? Refresh my mind, please.
Really? Okay. You know, I've been thinking, if I've been the one in such dilemma, I don't think it will have been the same thing. But I wanted to know, from your statement, were you saying it from your mind or you're under duress?
Queenette, you know, when I actually made that statement, I was absolutely positive then, though we were taken.
So now that we've both been served breakfast, what then? Both single.
Yeah. We're both single. And I still care about you.